Hey everyone, if you've been dreaming of launching your own online store or growing your e-commerce business, I've got an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. I'm teaming up with Shopify to bring you a special deal that's going to make getting started even easier and more affordable. Right now, by clicking the link in the description below, you can take advantage of Shopify's best offer available, and as of today, you'll get the first 3 months for just $1 per month. That's right, no promo codes required. Just click the link and the deal will automatically be applied when you sign up. This is a limited time opportunity. So if you've been thinking about building your online store with Shopify, now is the perfect time to dive in. For just $1 a month, for the first 3 months, you can explore Shopify's powerful e-commerce platform and start building your business with zero pressure. If you're watching this during a full review or tutorial, don't forget to click the link in the description to unlock this exclusive offer. By doing so, you'll not only get a free trial, but also access to an amazing deal that will help you get your store up and running without any extra costs upfront. Shopify is an all-in-one platform that allows you to easily set up and manage your online store, sell products, and even track your inventory and sales. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, Shopify gives you the tools to grow your business and reach customers worldwide. Just remember, this offer is updated regularly to ensure you're getting the best deal available. So make sure to click the link below to lock in the current offer and get started today. Don't wait any longer. Take advantage of this exclusive deal and start building your dream business with Shopify now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.